Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafi West. What's going on, y'all? Rafi West here, hopefully with another useful video. This video is going to cover a few things. Like I said, I only come on when I see or feel something of value. Right now, I think we may have a ripping rally green in the regular market, the stock market. That's why some people are holding things overnight. I don't think that's a bad move right now because you see, I think people are beginning to figure out that the media, what they do is they make you worry about things that you shouldn't worry about, and then the things you have to worry about, they say no, it's okay, right? So, for example, we got monkeypox now. Monkeypox has been around since the late 50s. And if you do a search on monkeypox and Joe Biden, whatever, you'll find a lot of things there, right? Monkeypox, a lot of articles ramping it up, trying to put fear in you, trying to have you worry about that shit. And then the things you should worry about, like inflation, food shortages, all that stuff, you notice they don't really harp on that much. They don't talk about that much. So that's just, and I think some people are beginning to kind of realize that, right? And so that's why I think the markets are about to flip green here in the short term. We could see a ripping rally, and the QQQ, for example, we could see a ripping rally in that. It's been floating around in this 288, 292 range, but I see it like busting through to the upside, and um, I'm in that a bit. I'm in that direction a bit. Um, so yeah, that's it with that. The whole message with that is that I think people are beginning to learn to realize what really is to worry about. So monkeypox, not really to worry about. Not to mention you have to have close contact, um, you know, very close contact. So let's say bedding even. So sharing the bed with someone who's had um, monkeypox. Okay, now there has been an order placed for, I don't know, $120 million of smallpox vaccine to have that on tap, you know. And there is one country, I forget which one, is Belgium or something, that does have a quarantine, a mandatory quarantine in place of a few weeks because of or for monkeypox with 4 cases in their country. So, but anyway, I think we're going to have a flip here for a little while. QQQ, all the indices going green. Okay, and now I want to talk a little bit about cryptocurrency. I have an epiphany about crypto. I gave in my last video some tips on beginners for beginners with a twist. You know, there's a few things you need to know about crypto. For those of you that are new or relatively new to crypto, you're in it, a lot of you guys, to speculate and see if you're going to make 100x, 1000x returns. And now with these protocols that are offering, 8,000% APY, things like that, you got to realize that outside of those protocols, and even with that, you got to know how it works. You got to know when to get in and out, have that mentality. You got to realize that the 1000x gains, 100x even 25x for crypto is over for now. For now, it's over. If you could 2x or 3x your money in this environment, you're good. So you have to adapt to the particular environment that you're in. And right now, you got to focus on 2x or 3x because you got to remember a lot of people who made the money between, let's say, 020 and now, or even prior to that, especially in crypto, are just starting to cash out now. So those days will return of, higher percentage returns on your money, but it's just not now. Now you have to have patience, and if you get a 2x or 3x, you go, especially in crypto. So you have to go. Okay? So that's my thoughts on crypto. Another thing I want you guys to know about crypto is you have to assume, okay? You have to assume that anything outside of Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH, is a scam slash Ponzi scheme, okay? And yeah, I know it's all a Ponzi scheme. For those of you that understand, everything's a Ponzi scheme. But you have to act as such that anything outside of those two, of the two big dogs, are Ponzi schemes. So you have to keep that in mind as well. Okay? So that's the second thing I want you guys to know about crypto. The third and the last point about crypto that I want you guys to know is, besides maybe Ethereum, ETH, there's no reason to hold crypto. Now, I know we've all been taught hodl crypto and all that, but I've given some thought to this, and there's really no point of holding crypto. Meaning, you get some gains, you go. If you're not holding any crypto, don't feel bad. It doesn't matter. Okay? There's no need to hold crypto. You get in, you make some gains, you get out. That's it. That's it. I mean, you can hold for a little while. You can hold for over 12 months to not incur short-term capital gains tax on it. But to say you're going to hold for the next, like you would hold any other investment that may be like paying you, or have a real business behind it with real people, real numbers, something you could value, earnings reports, things like that, there's no reason to hold crypto. Now, remember, I said the word adapt in this video. If at some point we adapt, I will let you guys know. But right now, that is adapting. I'm adapting. There's no reason to hold any crypto. Green, out you go. You want to buy back in lower? That's fine. In, boom, green, out you go. That's how it goes. That's it. So get into Hustlers University 2.0. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to start thinking like this, adapting, learning, adapting to this environment. Okay, if you want to know more, contact me on my email, message me in the comments. I'll get back to you. I read all the comments. And yeah, share this with someone of value. I mean, if you think there's any value in this, share this video. Give me a thumbs up so the algorithm likes me, so we can spread, so we can grow the channel. And watch my other videos. I have systems. Okay. I have systems, okay, for gaming. I have systems, I have self-improvement videos. Just look them up, and it's evergreen content. That means it's good. It doesn't expire. There's no live streams in there that have expired, things like that, all right? So consider subscribing. If you watch all of my videos, they come out when I have something of value. So if you subscribe to this channel, you will be getting value, each time you watch a video of mine, all right? So yeah, that's it for now. Those tidbits. This is Rafe West, over and out, and I will speak with you guys another time, all right? Peace.